I want to now continue and speak about the event. It's a hidden event that explains why the healer even appeared. Every lineage that produces a healer carries a story that was never fully told. The family moves forward through generations, believing the past has been settled. Old conflicts fade from conversation. Certain names are mentioned less often. Some chapters of the family story and history quietly disappear. For many years, the silence feels complete. But when a healer appears in that lineage, something unusual begins happening. Questions begin surfacing that no one asked for decades. And slowly, the family realizes something unsettling. The past was never finished, it was simply buried. Families rarely forget events completely. What they do instead is stop speaking about them. An injustice that divides relatives, a betrayal that fractured trust, a sacrifice someone made that no one wanted to revisit. When those moments occur, the family protects itself by closing the chapter. Children grew up hearing only partial versions of what happened. The next generation receives a cleaner version of the story. But buried history has a way of resurfacing, especially when someone in the lineage begins restoring what others tried to ignore. A healer often notices the first signs without realizing their meaning. A relative hesitates before answering a simple question. A photograph appears in an old box with unfamiliar faces. A name is mentioned once and never explained again. Small fragments begin appearing. At first, the healer assumes these details are minor, but the fragments slowly begin forming a pattern. Something happened in the past that changed the direction of the family, something that was never fully addressed. When the healer begins asking questions, the family environment shifts. Some relatives become uncomfortable, others respond with silence. A few quietly begin sharing pieces of the story that had remained hidden for years. An aunt remembers something her parents once mentioned. An older cousin recalls a conflict that divided the family long ago. An elderly relative shares a story that had never been spoken openly. Piece by piece, the missing chapter begins revealing itself. See, the healer eventually realizes something important. The buried event is not simply a historical curiosity, it explains the emotional patterns that still exist in the family. Old distrust between relatives, unspoken tension during certain gatherings, strange reactions when particular topics are mentioned. What the family believed was random behavior begins making sense. The past did not disappear, it continued influencing the present. The deeper discovery, the healer also begins noticing something even more unusual. Someone in the earlier generation tried to address the buried conflict. A relative attempted to confront the problem. A voice attempted to restore what had been broken. But their effort was interrupted. Their voice was dismissed. Their warning was ignored. Their attempt at restoration never reached completion. And after that moment, the family stopped discussing the subject entirely. The chapter was closed because the healer suddenly realizes something unsettling. The questions that asking today, they are asking today are the same questions someone in the lineage asked many years ago. The attempt to restore what was broken is not beginning with them, it began long before their lifetime. They are continuing a conversation that was interrupted decades earlier. And this is why the healer appeared in the lineage. And it wasn't by accident, but because unfinished history eventually demands resolution. When a family closes a chapter without addressing what fully happened, the tension remains inside the story. The lineage eventually produces someone capable of reopening that chapter. And it was not to punish the family, but to restore what was left unresolved. This realization often creates a difficult moment. Some relatives welcome the truth. They feel relief that the story is finally being understood, but others feel threatened by the discovery. because reopening the past means acknowledging things that were avoided for many years. Old loyalties may be questioned. Old decisions may be reconsidered. The healer suddenly finds themselves standing in the center of a conflict that began long before they were born. This is the moment when the healer understands the full weight of their path. Their role is not simply helping individuals through personal struggles. Their role is restoring something inside the lineage itself. The healer becomes the person capable of facing what previous generations could not. So they reopen the chapter that was sealed. They bring back truth into the story. And once the truth becomes visible, the family finally has the opportunity to move forward differently. Restoration inside a lineage rarely happens through dramatic confrontation. More often, it happens through understanding. The healer helps relatives see the past clearly. They allow people to speak about events that were never discussed openly. They help the family understand how those events shape the present. And once that understanding appears, something important begins changing. The tension that moves silently through generation begins fading. The story begins healing. When the buried chapter is finally understood, the next generation grows up with a different story. They know what happened. They understand why certain patterns existed. And because the truth is now visible, the cycle that continued through generations can finally end. This is the true impact of the healer's role, not simply helping individuals, but changing the directory of their lineage itself. Every family carries stories that were told openly, but many families also carry chapters that were never fully explained. When a healer appears in that lineage, those hidden chapters begin resurfacing. Questions lead to discoveries. Discoveries lead to understanding. And understanding finally allows the story to move forward without the silent tension of the past. Most people believe their life begins the day they are born. But some lives begin much earlier than that. They begin in a chapter of the family story that was never completed. And when the healer finally discovers that hidden chapter, they realize something remarkable. The path they are walking today is the continuation of a story that the lineage was waiting to finish. Thank you for visiting my channel. May your soul be blessed. Stay covered, stay conscious, and stay undefeated. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye.